Hello, I'm going to show you how to enter the Global Scholars platform. Go to Google, you write Learn Global Cities, yes. Here where it says Power School Learning, login, click. When you enter that, you will see this window. Yes, here you enter your username. For example, Esc Lavalleja and my name. Then you go to password, you enter your secret password. Yes, and then you go to Remember me. Yes? Enter. You can save your password if you want. And here you are. Yes, this is the Global Scholars platform. Yes, so you go to Vista. Where it says welcome. Yes, and you can find here is the collaboration, and here we are, Buenos Aires, Argentina. On the left, you can see Unit 1, double click on Unit 1. And here you go to Global Discussion, say hello. When you enter Global Discussion, say hello, you go to this line that it says Discuss, say hello. Double click there. And here you can see the messages from different students. For example, here you have students from Madrid, you have students from Taipei, you have students from Los Angeles. I want to see messages from students from Buenos Aires, our school. Bye-bye.